Hello. I'm going to say something that might make some men uncomfortable. A lot of you are exhausted. Not physically, in because you are working too much, but because you're carrying a pressure you never talk about. And the strange part, nobody even sees it. You've gotten so good at holding together that people assume you're fine. You show up, you perform, you handle things, you don't collapse. So the word thinks you are strong. But strength without support becomes silent suffering. Today's man is expected to earn well, lead confidently, stay fit, be ambitious, be emotionally available, be stable, be romantic, be spiritually aware, and do all this without ever breaking. Think about the standard for a second. You have to succeed professionally, be composed emotionally, look strong physically, provide financially, protect mentally, and still be soft enough to love properly. And if you struggle, you are told, man up. So, what happens psychologically? You start trying your work to performance. You don't just succeed, you feel you must succeed, deserve respect, you deserve love, to deserve space in the room. And when your identity becomes performance based, rest feels like weakness, confusion feels like failure, vulnerability feels like dangerous. So you adapt, you suppress, you say I'm fine even when you are not. Here's the deeper issue. Most men were not taught emotional processing. They were taught endurance, achievement, competition, control. Control your feeling, control your reactions, control your fear. But suppressed emotion does not disappear. It soars in the body, in the jaw. It stays tight, in the shoulders that never relax, in the chest that feels heavy. At night, when everyone is asleep and when emotion has healthy outlet, it leaks. It leaks as irritation, as emotional distance, overworking, as constant distraction, as addictive coping patterns, as sudden anger or small triggers. People see the anger, they don't see the pressure underneath. Let's go even deeper. Many men grow up receiving validation only when they achieve. You scored well, good job, you won, proud of you, you earn respect. So subconsciously, love becomes conditioned. I am valued when I perform. Now imagine carrying the belief into adulthood. If your business slows down, you don't just feel stressed, you feel inadequate. If you are confused about direction, you don't just feel uncertain, you feel behind. If you can't provide the way you want to, you don't just feel frustrated, you start questioning your identity. This creates chronic mental pressure, and because men are socially wired to feel losing respect more than losing affection, they risk exposing their insecurity. I am scared, they go silent. Instead of saying I feel lost, they withdraw. Instead of saying I need support, they isolate, and isolation magnifies pressure. This is why so many men feel lonely in inside relationships. They are physically present but emotionally guarded, not because they don't care, but because vulnerability feels like a gamble. It shows doubt. If I show fear, I will lose authority. I will lose respect. The internal dialogue never gets spoken out loud, but it runs constantly. And when it runs long enough without release, it turns into burnt out. Emotional numbness or an identity crisis. Now, here's where healing begins. Pressure itself is not the enemy. Masculine energy is designed to handle pressure, but pressure must move. It cannot say trap. Create your worth from your output. Your income fluctuates, your value does not. Your clarity may waver. A conscious man learns emotional regulation, not emotional suppression. That means naming what you feel instead of making it. Instead of I am fine, saying I am under pressure right now. That single sentence lowers internal stress because it acknowledges reality instead of fighting. It means creating a physical outlet intentionally. Strength training, breath work, cold showers, long walk, not to prove toughness but to discharge tension. Means allowing one safe space in your life where you are performing. And spiritually, it means remembering this. You were not born to prove your worth, you were born with it. When a man internalizes that, something powerful happens. He becomes steady instead of reactive. He becomes grounded. He doesn't become defensive. He leads without aggression. He loves without fear. He provides without trying his identity. And that kind of masculinity, it doesn't explode, it anchors. If you are a man watching this and something inside you felt exposed, that's not weakness, that's awareness. And awareness is power. You don't have to carry everything alone to be strong. You just have to learn how to carry it consciously. And that is real mastery. If any of you feels that this has hit you hard somewhere, we can have a one-on-one session. Please like, subscribe and comment. See you tomorrow.